Okay, so we're getting somewhere. What I'm doing is just dropping the threshold so we're seeing a little bit more compression. Now remember, the lower this level, the more the sound is going to be compressed, and what we're going to see is more gain reduction, literally more sort of squashing of the loudest moments in the performance as we drop the threshold point. What I can then do is obviously choose my ratio, and actually 4:1 feels like it's working quite nicely. And then to make up for the lost volume that I'm losing through compression, I've got an output level control, which is allowing me to effectively set the output level. Now, if I want to send a little bit more level into the compressor, I can turn up the volume of all of these tracks into the compression process. And again, this is what's so useful about the idea of bus processing. Effectively, by turning up the input level, I'm increasing the input volume of all 4 of these backing vocal parts into the compressor, where they're being processed together, and then I can set their output volume together. So in other words, effectively, literally one set of controls is affecting all of these parts.
Want you, I need you, I see you, and the look in your eyes, and I know that at the same time, at the sunrise, I'll be here in your arms, 'cause I want you, I need you, I see you, and the...
Okay, now that feels quite nice by itself. Let's just take it out for a second so we can compare it to the original. It's not just going to be quieter. Listen to the way that the sound feels less glued like this as well.
Want you, I need you, I see you, and the look in your eyes, and I know that at the same time, at the sunrise, I'll be here in your arms, 'cause I want you, I need you, I see you, and the look in your eyes, and it's alright, yeah, we're alright till the sunrise.